sorry for this delay. We were facing some technical issue. Am I audible? Show your thumbs up first. Thumbs up with a smile. Yes, thumbs up with a smile, because when you will be happy, your work will be happy, right? And now we will start with the work. Okay, you all can see I have all the material ready. Okay, so chalo, let's get started. So here I'm going to show you the material needed one more time. And extremely sorry, like you have to wait for longer time. And due to some technical issue, we were not able to connect. And now finally, okay. So see what material I'm going to use. Let's talk about this. Okay. Then I will give you bigger view. So these are drawing sheets, regular drawing sheets which we use, and white. And see, this is a calendar, kind of a sheet which is printed from one side, but it is blank. Like as New Year has been started, so lots of calendars are available at home. And we have paper bags also. When we order something from Blinkit and all that, so using this kind of waste calendars, it's white side. If you don't have, then you use white A3 size paper. Okay. Yes, using this and using this white sheets, we are going to learn a beautiful craft. Limited elements, but the output is going to be excellent. Okay, so chalo, without delay, let's get started. Okay, and today you will be learning swans, wonderful swans. Adya, if you want to say something, beta, please type. I will immediately answer. You write something on your hand. Show me or your hand closely. Show your hand, no material. Okay. If you don't have material available, Adya, in that case, you can simply see how we are doing. And after class, you can get it arranged. And afterwards, you can do. Okay. Many of you would not be having this kind of calendar. So you can use your A3 size drawing sheet today. Okay. And if you have this kind of any board, you can use that also. Yes. Arvi, if you want to ask something, you can message me. I will reply you. Okay. Yeah, you can message me. And chalo, so now without delay, let's get started. So do you have material ready? We don't have too many things. We need too many things, and we are going to color it. So it's quite big paper. And afterwards, what you can do, this kind of sheets, you can paste on your carry bags, and your carry bag will look extraordinary after that. Okay. So this way is one ordinary paper bag, which is of this color. And you can convert it in a very beautiful smart bag, and you can simply put your gift inside. You can staple and it will be ready to carry. Okay. So this ways, those boring Blinkit paper bags, and we get of this color. And so you can reuse them using the craft. So are you ready? Huh? With a smile, I want to start it. Yes, that's it. So the very first thing, you will keep your drawing sheets on one side. And first, whatever surface you have available, you will color it. Okay. So let's color it. So what you are going to do, you will take cotton, you will take water container, and you can take any color. You need to decide what color you want to take. This is cotton. And if you have thick paintbrush, you can use thick paintbrush also. And if you want to color, suppose you don't have watercolors, you want to color it with brush pens, or you want to color it with something else, I will give you a bigger view, closer view of it. This is the full view of the work. And I'm using a waste calendar, okay? And I'm going to use this craft for making a boring carry bags in a interesting one, okay? So chalo, without delay, let's get started. Now what I will do, I will simply take color. I will dip it in water, okay? So first you will have to decide that what colors you want to put for making it looking extraordinary, na? So I selected red. And yes, if you want to merge somewhere green also. And yes, of course, orange will also look amazing. So you can even try orange, or you can take any other color also. I have this color also. So red, orange, yellow, you can try. I'm going to show kind of jungle here. I will make my background absolutely dark. Why? Because my swans will come with white color. And with paper craft, we are going to make it. And then you can either use it as wall paste, or you can simply paste on both the side of your carry bag, and you can decorate. So shall we start now? So I will open my colors. है ना? Any of the color you can take. Color scheme is absolutely yours. So first we will color this paper and we will keep it on one side. So what will happen? By the time when we will be making it with cutting, we are going to learn swans. So those will be ready. है ना? We will find them ready to start with. ठीक है? So ready? Chalo, get a cotton. All of you. And we will start now. Okay? Chalo. So the very first thing you will do, and our craft and art, everything is having a story behind. Even today's work is having a lovely story, and I will love to share those stories with you. Okay? Hopefully you all would be ready with material. Shall I start now? Yeah? Okay. Now what we will do, we will dip our cotton in water. We will take it out and you will take a paintbrush or earbud, anything you have. So my water was already pink. I was doing some painting. It was already having red color. It's okay. I will use the same. So I will remove water and then I'm going to take green color first with help of this. I want to keep my background absolutely dark. So I will take green, and if you want to use brown or some other color of this kind, you can. I will simply use this color and I will start applying it on paper. Okay? So when you take color directly on paper, what happened? It saves lots of your color. Otherwise, what happened? Remaining color always goes waste. Hai na? So it's better that you can use this way. So I will simply take color on cotton and I will very carefully complete it. Okay? See. I will move it from this corner to this corner. And if you want to go for tap tap technique, and a tap tap technique, in tap tap technique, you go this ways. Otherwise, you can simply go with sleeping lines and you can make a beauty and feather touch. You don't need to pressurize your paper too much. You know? With feather touch, you will continue. The paper is quite big. So simply, yeah, green, just to show little green kind of jungle kind of element here. I put green color. Okay? So I did green and the same cotton you can use for like brownish color. It will get if green with red will give you brown. So we want some dark colors actually in background. So that's why I will nicely spread colors and feather touch. When you're doing colors with cotton in one direction, make sure it should be with feather touch. You will not pressurize your color too much. Okay? This is very important thing you will keep in mind. So here you're going to do this ways. And we can do one thing. We can use directly yellow ochre color. And if needed in the end, we can make sun with red or some other color. Yellow ochre, or my next color is going to be yellow ochre. I will dip the cotton, the same cotton in water. And on same cotton, I will take my next color. Any of the dark color we want in background. And suppose if your calendar is having already a scene of jungle, many times flowers and jungle and dark color there. So you simply use it, you can use it as it is. Because we are going to put our swans in 3D effect. We will cut, paste, and we will show they are flying in the jungle. So even sky blue color could be put, but as we are going to make our swans with white color, dark color will definitely give you better look. So see, this is the way you will first. Green and yellow ochre will give you a beautiful and amazing effect. As you can see here, if you want to use red, if you want to use orange, any of the color, you can use any of the color. Okay? Chalo, so this is the way you need to color your paper. In simple, you need to color your paper. And this paper which I used is a calendar which is white from one side. If you have a wedding card, suppose you want to make it small, you don't want to make it this much big. And a wedding card, paper plates, thermocol plates, any of the surface which you find appealing could be used. And according to that size, it can increase or decrease the size of the swans you will be making. Okay? So you can do either with paintbrush or with cotton. With cotton, you will find it very easy to do. So here it is looking brown, because yellow ochre I simply add in brown. It's looking this little brownish and yes. And the way we are going to make swans with paper cutting, that is amazing technique. And I really want all of you. And for that, I'm going to use white sheet because many of you would not be having the paper which was needed. That's why we selected white. But if you feel that you want to use um, wedding cards, you have colorful wedding cards, you can definitely try wedding cards also. Okay? So chalo, let's complete. And this kind of suggestive colors, yellow ochre, and this color will give it a look of dense jungle. You can simply go for upper technique with tap tap technique. This is also technique you could have used for filling the complete page. If you want to use this tap tap technique for complete page, you could have tried this also. And see, this is the way you will complete your jungle. So we simply selected the colors of jungle and we are using them green and yellow ochre together. But red, orange, yellow also you can try. You can definitely try red, orange, yellow. Come on. And this is the way you will finish. As I told you, if you want to make your swans with some different colors, and I suppose you have saffron color, yellow color, pink, fluorescent pink color, so you can use those colors also for making your birds colorful. But swans always used to be like white swans. I selected because of two reasons. First, because many of you would not be having colorful paper available, so you will have to rush to market then. And secondly, white swans will look great and white drawing sheets, so we all have available easily. So that's why we are going to make it white. So see, this is the way I completed. And if you feel that lower layer also somewhere I want to put this kind of bushes kind of texture, so you can put little bit here also. The only thing we want to color the background. The only thing we need to keep in mind, and red, orange, yellow will definitely give more bright and beautiful look. But just to give a look of jungle, this is a dense jungle they are flying through, and I simply do this ways. Or you can simply go for one more, or you can go for textures as you want to make it. The little textured look in the sky, little textured look here below to show kind of bushes. Now here, rainbow colors you can try. You can try blue, dark blue color to show sky. You can show red, orange, yellow. If you want to go with pink, whatever. But make sure our background color should be darker. Like white color should come up beautifully. So the very first step is this which we completed. Okay, some textured look I tried to add kind of bushy texture. And yeah. So this paper is ready. And right now, don't worry if you feel that textured look is looking little strange. Now here, my white color, if you can, I will see my white swans will look so amazing. And white is simply coming up so beautifully. If your background colors will be light, then white color will not look very prominent, which is very important. Okay. So make sure that you will be using white. Okay. Now our very first step is over. That is coloring the background. Your first step is this only. Okay? You will color your background beautifully with any of the color you have available. If you want to use brush pens, now you want to use brush pen stripes for coloring background, you can use that too. Any of the color. There is no foundation. You can't use this or you can't use that. Any of the color. Okay? And this useless paper of calendar, the back side of it I use because the stationery which is been used in calendar, that's very good. Hai na? So always use that. You can use them for making carry bags, paper bags. You can use them for, and even this craft, even if you have this kind of plate, this kind of plates also we have now. You can make this craft on this kind of plates also. In the only thing will be your swans will be small, you will make your swans small. You can even simply show it like a earth and a dark blue and dark green color and show two swans they want to fly. So any of the material you have available, once you know how to make it, you will start observing beauty all around. Even this kind of cardboard, like if you don't want to color it and you want to use this color only, this is khaki color, you want to use this color only for making, so you can use it because on this also white will turn up well. So our very first step is over. After this, I will request all of you to clean your hands because now we will come on craft and we will keep this paper on one side for drying. And now we will learn the beautiful steps of making swan. Now, swans will be according to size of your paper. Like on my paper, as I have a bigger, quite big size, I used complete page of calendar. I have quite big. If your paper is small, you know, I will be showing the size according to A3 size paper. Take it? Yes. Come on, do this. So now here it seems as if this is water, and here like some bushes are here. This is sky with lots of green, brown, and some this kind of texture has appeared. And now, after completing, wash your hands properly or wipe it out with proper cloth. Clean your hands because now we are going to work on white paper. Okay? So your hand should be absolutely clean. So by the time when you all are completing your work, let's start with our stories. Okay. So, yes. Have you done? I will not ask you to show your work. Okay, okay. I can see your thumb down. You all are doing. You know? Yes. So, cotton is the simplest way because cotton is having the capacity of holding lots of colors. And if you have any old painting in which a background is already there, you can use that as it is. Yes, Gunika is showing a beautiful drawing. Yeah, lovely it is, my dear. Beautiful abstract art. So if you have any painting in that, a landscape is there, you painted on A3 size, so use that paper as it is. Because we simply want some colors in background. I can see Shravani used black, then blue, then purple. Yeah, on this white will go black. White. Just keep in mind that my white swan should come up beautifully. Okay. Yes, I can see you all are lost in world of colors. And by the time I will start with my story. So this is story of two swans and one turtle. They were living in a water pond and very happily they were living together there. Okay. Yeah, I can see Dian also with dark blue on the top, green and then brown and some grass also. Dian ad. Yes, so see, this is creativity. I can see a beautiful kite in hands of Chehek, nicely decorated. Geetika is continue with tap, tap, tap. I can see Ihan with lovely yellow and green and then textured on the top. Very good. Beautiful. Such lovely color schemes you have done up with. I'm so happy. Yes, if you can easily pick up your files. Yes, Lishika, very good. Mishka, Lishika, Nabil, Neeti. I will request all of you to show your work, है ना, because you all are doing such amazing with such amazing color schemes you are trying. Adya Sharma, Adya the artist, Anya, Araina, RV, Arya, Ayat, Adarsh, Adya, Advik, Advika, Chauhan, Emmy, and Anagha, Santosh, Anika, Anuha, Anvika, Maharana, Adeline, Arnavi, Atharv, Avika, Avishka, Ayansh, Bhavna, Charvita, Chehek, Devansh, Dian, Gara, all of you. I will request if you can comfortably lift up your files, है ना? Gitika, Gunika, Hanvi, Harini, Ihan, Jaya, Jayesh, Jayoti, Jinansh, Judith, Juveria. By the time when you all are completing this, Jinansh, Judith, Juveria, KK, Nivruta, Kashvi, Krishna, Kunjan, Lakshya, Lishika, Madiha, Mishka, Nabil, Neeti, Prajapati, Nityanshu, Purnima, Pragati, Pranay, Saisha, Riva, Shanvi, Sara, Samira, Sanaya, Sarmishta, Sharon, Shiza, Shravani, Shravya, Shreyas, Shrijita, Shrinkhala, Siddh, Siri, Nalkudre, Sonia, Swaptik, Shrija, Shri Mukund, Shruti, Stuti, Suhani, Surya, Swara, Ashrita, Taksh, Tanush, Tishya, Uddhav, Vedehi, Varda, Virya, Viraya, Vyan, Yashika, Yuvansh. Now what we will do, all of you have done, show your thumbs up. Show your thumbs up if you all have done. Yes. So now you're going to keep this paper on one side for drying. And by the time when it is getting dry, we will start with our two papers. These are white papers. Come on. Now the very first thing you will do, if you want to make a sun, है ना? If you want to make a sun in the corner, so you can take a circle and you can make it. And we are going to make our two swans. So for this, you can take a small scale and I will show how will you take measurement. So see here. Yeah. Here we have this paper, right? What you do, you take scale and take measurement from the corner. Okay, start it from the corner. It will be easy because there are many children, they're very young. So let's go for very simple method. So you are going to place it here and you are going to place it here. Okay, so what will happen? You will find two lines. First, mark two lines. Because the method which I'm going to teach you, and a few students will find it little challenging. So in corner, you will find just take the complete length of it, of your scale. Okay. So the size is according to your equally scale, L shape. And now what you will do, you will simply join these two lines. Join these two lines. And you will fold, so you will find a triangle, square. Exactly on this line. If you can't fold this way, fold this side. Okay? So, and if you want to use wedding cards, colorful cards you have. Sorry. But make sure that it should be plain from both the sides. So when you will fold this paper, see, fold this paper now. I marked it and then fold this paper. What will happen? You will find exact square. You can either draw, although this step could be done directly also. Draw first and then you cut and you will find exact square. Exact square you will find. I will show you again, okay? I will wait after this. When you all will show your square in your hands, this is the way of getting perfect square in your hands. Yes. And we need perfect square for making swan. And if you feel like to make a baby swan, a papa swan, mama swan, accordingly, here I want to make a pair of swan. Okay? See, this is a perfect shape of square we find. Perfect square. Okay? I will teach you again how to draw it. Okay? Yes, one more time I will teach. I will give you bigger view so that you can see it nicely. And this paper we are going to do. And can you see my paper? And it should be little thick enough, not very thin. Not very thick also, but not very thick. Very poor quality paper. Now what will happen? The curves which you want to make, they will disappear. I will show it again. Okay? Come on, do it. Shall I show it one more time? Yeah? Yeah. What you will do, corner, you will take equal to scale. That's why avoid a measurement. And then connect them, fold it, and you will find a perfect square. Okay? And remaining piece of paper, don't throw. In future, we are going to learn so many things. Not even a single paper you will waste. Okay? So this kind of pieces we can use afterwards for some this or that reason. I want to make a circle also for making a big sun. So yes, I can use this for making sun as well. I'm looking for a bigger surface. Okay. I think it will be too big. Let's go for this size only. And one circle also I will cut. I want to make a sun. So one circle also I will cut. Okay? You can take it bigger, you can take it smaller. It's absolutely your choice what ways you're going to make. So this remaining space we will use for making a small circle. Okay? And it could be according to size of your paper. These all things which I'm teaching you are according to A3 size, because in material list we mention A3 size. And if your paper is big, suppose you want to paste it on wall as mural decoration, or you want to do pasting of it on for stage decoration, many times stage decoration, class board decoration. If you're making one with white, one with saffron, one with green, you can use these birds for decoration of Independence Day and Republic Day. So yes, for so many purposes it could be used. Okay. Yes, I will show the method of making square again. Okay. I will keep this circle also. See, this is my paper. So what I will do, I will take my scale. This corner I have, I will keep my scale and I will equal to scale. I mark standing line and equal to small scale you take. You all would be having that. Equal to my scale, I will mark here also. So I have two lines and this is L shape. You can see I used corner, L shape. Okay, if you will use this, I'm showing it again. So if it was not clear before, you can try this now. So these two swans, they were living in a water pond and their first friend was a turtle. And they were very happily living there. The water was crystal clear, lots of food was available. And like time was going amazingly. They were very happy here. But time is all never same. After day, night comes, and after night again a new day rise. Same way, same ways. Our life is full of ups and down. So what happened in this jungle where this water pond was, where these swans and this turtle were living happily, and this year there was no rain. And what happened? Because of this, the size of water ponds started shrinking. But there was hope that next year for sure we will get abundant of rain and we will be having water again in water pond. So everyone was waiting for next year. Okay. So see now what you will do, you will take scale and you will connect this point and this point carefully. And you will make a line. Make sure you will connect it properly. Otherwise, your scale will square will not come perfect. So we will get this line, and now we are supposed to fold this line. Fold this line. You do one thing, you fold this way. So what will happen? Because of line, you will find it easy to fold. Fold this line properly. First you will place it nicely and then you will make your crease. It should never be like in a hurry, you simply press. First you decide the corners and then first make this and then you will make remaining two lines and then you will cut it off. This is that simple. Okay? Yeah. So what I did, I simply fold and now I will simply move line around. One more L shape it is. One more L shape. And this outer L shape you will cut. And you will find a beautiful square shape available. And each paper you will keep carefully because we are going to conduct this kind of classes every Sunday. Some waste bottles, some waste CDs, and even your pens, many times your ball pens, your marker pens, they are not working. Ink is over and you don't know what to do with it. Even your toothbrushes, these toothbrushes, they are going somewhere in ocean and contributing, making an artificial island in Pacific Ocean. And you will be surprised to know that the size of this artificial island of which is made of waste plastic from all over the world is equal to half of the surface area of India. It is that huge. Can you imagine? One story I publish, you will be able to get soon. In that, I told about one environmentalist. He find out that where the plastic is going. I will cut the circle also very carefully. And now you can color your circle either with brush pen or with any of the color. If you want to use brush pens, it will look great. Yellow you can try. If you tried yellow in background, then you can try red, orange, or any of the color for completing the, yeah. See, this is the way I will make it. And any one color, I will prefer using yellow. I will wait after this so that we all can do it together. Okay? Yes. So by the time I will continue my story. So what happened now this year? There was no rain and the size of this water pond shrink. And everyone was worried, but they were having complete trust that next year again they are going to get lots of rain. And till that time, they were having enough to survive. So, but next year again, continuously next year, second year also, there was no rain. And now the question on survival exists. Now, these two swans, they decided that we will go somewhere else in some other jungle where we have water pond available, fishes available. But what to do with this turtle? They can fly, but turtle can't. And they were worried about their friends. But the turtle told that you don't worry about me. You simply leave me alone and go. See, okay, this is the way we have two squares and this. Come on, do this much. I will wait for all of you so that you all could finish this much. Yes, I'll take a pause so that you, those who, because many students are showing their thumb down, and you can use any other color of colorful paper. And if you want to make them colorful, you can try, definitely, you can try some other color also for making it. Okay, so now we will start with the swan part. All of you finish this? I will check your squares and your circle and then we will move ahead. Okay, can I check the work? Will you please lift up files and show me once? All of you? Great, perfect, very good. Okay, so if I want to make two sweats because it will help us revising. Take, है ना? We will get revision also. Now I can take any color and first I will make this sun with color. So I selected this yellow color without outline and with brush pen. If you want to use any other color or want to use watercolors, you can take cotton and you can simply make it with this color. है ना? Fluorescent orange if you want to use. Don't keep it white, although white could also be used, but don't keep it white because now our swans are white, then white sun will not look good. So better you simply put some colors and finish its coloring. Okay, and your discarded brush pens, never throw it off because they're amazing brushes. You can use your old brush pens as brushes to fill colors. They are amazing, है ना? So, and beside, I'm going to cover up one of the craft in which we will learn how to use waste discarded toothbrushes, and we will learn some plant accessories using it. Okay, so nicely fill it and make it yellow. Not working properly, about to get over, so let's use it completely. And this is the way I completed yellow color without leaving any white space anywhere. You also do this. Now here I'm doing this. If your background is yellow, then you can try other color also. Otherwise you can, and I simply used brush pen, and this yellow will look amazing on my paper. And you can see if I will keep it here, it will look great on my paper. है ना? Yeah. So chalo, this is ready. I will keep it on one side. So one after another, we will start making our objects. Now here, I simply used one side, and now we will start with the swans. All of you finish your sun and any color, red, orange, yellow, you know, and if you want to mix, like I can see few students, they mix orange color around. How creative you all are, really. So you can do that also. You're absolutely free with your ideas. And amazingly, that's why I tell, you know, many students merge yellow and red, orange and red also. Yes, you can do that too. You are free with your experiments. And I really want all of you to come up with your experiments. And it happens na, when we get bouquets, any party or any birthday, we get bouquets and we simply throw it off. But you don't know it's dry arrangements, it's paper, could be reused for making lovely cards. Even where home decor, for home decor, we use artificial flowers. And artificial flowers are what? They are plastic actually. And after some time, they get faded and we simply throw it off. You will be surprised to know that you can make lovely 3D look bouquet cum cards using those discarded flowers. So now let's think about reusing all these things, repurposing all these things, है ना? So that we can save environment and yes, it will save your money also. Okay? So ready? Shall we start? Shall we start with this now? Huh? Okay. Show your sun. Now I want to see your sun in your hand. Yes. So see these all lovely suns. They are having their sun, bright sun in their hands. And how creatively, like you all tried it in such amazing ways. Wonderful. Very good. Now keep your sun on one side. And now let's come on paper. Now very carefully see what you will do. You will fold it this ways. Keep the triangular part upper side and straight part here. Come on. This ways you will keep. I will give you closer view so that you can do it better ways and nicely. Yeah. On this, it is little three. You will be able to attend. If you want to make, suppose you have this kind of paper. This is a cardboard paper of book. So you can use it as it is also because see on this white is coming up so well. So many times you can use the available color also. Okay? So what you will do, you will be making it this way. You will keep the wings upper side, this open part upper side and this line towards you. Come on, place your paper like this first. Placing it in a perfect way is very important. Now you can simply decide the center. You know, which is your center. If you will, don't fold it. Simply you can take the center, just press it and take it. This is your center. This is your center. Or you can do one thing. You don't fold it. You can simply take your scale and you can mark your center. Straight you will keep and this is your center. Simple. Do this ways. This is your center. And now we will be making our swans. And these are such amazing method of making swans. You can use waste, colorful paper, glossy paper. If you will use like pamphlet, kind of many times colorful pamphlets, they come with newspaper or glossy sheets you have. And it will look colorful. You can even try that also for making your lovely swans. Okay. Yes. Now what you will do, as this is we are using this size now, you will leave 2 fingers distance here, 2 fingers. Okay. And then you will mark 2 fingers again, like 2 fingers will be too big. Mark 2 fingers again. Come on, mark 2 fingers again. 2 fingers, 2 fingers. I'm giving you measurement because you all did the cutting of the same. We have square of same size, है ना? So we will be using this. So see this from here, 2 fingers, then 2 fingers. Okay. Yeah. So we have 1 and 2 blocks. Okay. Yes. Don't worry. We are going to make another one also. So it will be kind of revision for us. Okay. Done, everyone? Yes. And those who are very young, I will request them to draw whatever they want to cut. But once your hand is settled, when you will practice on rough pages, this you will be able to do directly, freehand, without taking so many measurements. So more practice we do, better command on that artwork we start getting. Okay, now after this, you are going to mark 2.5. You can take 3 fingers also at the back. 3 fingers at the back. From here, you will take 3 fingers. How to take? You will take your 3 fingers, your pencil in one hand, you simply place and mark. Don't mark it bigger than this. And if your measurement will be not correct, then what will happen? It will lose its beauty. And I place a very neat and clean paper so that there would be no confusion. Okay? Yeah. So what I did, let me revise. First, I marked the center. We need a center. So first I took the point and marked the center. This is going to be center. Then I took 2 fingers distance, then 2 fingers distance. Okay. Yes. Shall we start now? Shall we? Yeah. Done. Everyone. Now very carefully see this first gap you will not use. This second gap which we have now, you will make very carefully a pointed a pointed beak. And now this point beak will remain pointed only if your paper is thick. If your paper will be thin, what will happen? It will bend. And now what you will do, you will make a face. And now we are not going to make it too big, this kind of C. And the center point we have now, you will go slightly diagonal till center. See, this is a beak, 2 fingers distance. Then this is hardly 1.5 finger, one slightly bigger than 1 finger. And this line is going little diagonal. Until where it will come? Till center. Don't take it here. And last play corner which we have, here you are going to make a diagonal line. 3 fingers distance which you put now. This cutting. So half of the paper we used for making this cutting. And here the tail will come, which we kept 3 fingers. And this measurement I'm following for this size of square. 6 inches. This is the measurement of arms. Now this point we have now. Mark a point, another point, and simply make a diagonal line. Diagonal line. This is going to be tail. And very carefully, we will make lines all around. In first, like these lines which I'm going to make, these are optional. Yeah, you will make lines on equal distance. If you want to make these lines little close, you can. Although this you can cut directly also, but still there are many children who are very young. So better to cut it this way. The middle this line will go straight. Okay. Here this line will go straight, and make sure this line and this line should not meet, otherwise that part will come out. And you're going to put this kind of cut all around. This will add a furry look to our wings. And till end of your paper, you will be doing this. This is the measurement. What I will repeat. I mark my center. I took 2 fingers distance, which we will leave. Then 2 fingers distance, which we use for making beak, because swans, they have long pointed beak. Then a C shape and a diagonal line, which is coming till center. Here I took 3 fingers distance and I simply draw a diagonal line, leaving little space here. And now your measurement part is over. Okay. And you can put it anywhere you want, on carry bags, on wall, in classroom for decorating your board. In a classroom board decoration, you would be getting now. Do you decorate on special occasions? People, students, they create different kind of crafts and they we display it on. And even for planters, if you want to make a planter, you can simply color it with any color and you can make this kind of small swans, and you can do its pasting on planters and planters will be ready. Okay? Paper plate, you can use any of the base cake, suppose, anytime cakes and cardboards we have. Now take scissors. Ready? Shall we move ahead? Or let's do one thing. Let's do it one more time. So what will happen? We will cut both the swans together. The first thing is center. And it will give you revision. First thing is center. Mark your center. Then take 2 fingers. Mark a point. 2 fingers. Mark a point. 3 fingers. Mark a point. Above this you will mark and make a diagonal line. And 2 fingers, 2 fingers. So first 2 fingers distance, we will leave another 2 fingers distance. We will make a very pointed beak. And then head. And then diagonal line till center line. Okay. And here this, only this much. And this cutting, if you want to draw, you can, or you can cut it directly. It's completely your choice. If you want to cut it directly, how to do that, that also I will show. Shrijita, see, for this kind of craft, when we are doing watercolor work on any surface, we should avoid moving our color again and again on that. If paper quality will be poor, then what will happen? Because of watercolor, it will get tear. And here we kept our swans very simple. We kept it this way. And if you want to like make this cut lines, you can make the lines of this kind. Okay? Now two we have, so it will give us revision as well. So let's start with first. Shall we start? Yes? Show your thumbs up. Show your thumbs up. All are ready? Great. Now take your scissors. Come on. Okay, I will wait for a little more time as few students want me to wait. And where is my son? Yeah, this is my son. Ready, which I will keep carefully here. And then we will assemble and our beautiful drawing will be ready. If you want to put this paper on front, on both the sides of your uh, paper bag, you can place, and your boring paper bags which you get from Blinkit and other places will become extremely interesting, and you can simply put your gift inside. You can give it to someone. But we love to have this kind of creative carry bags as gift paper. So see, gift paper which we use, that is again like going waste. But yes, it could be used for so many beautiful things, and I will try to cover up one craft with waste gift paper. And lovely flowers could be prepared for birthday decoration, and other. So chalo now. Okay, now take your scissors and very carefully this pointed cut. You will not cut it off, huh? Very carefully. And then you will cut the round. And then very carefully you will do. And then you will cut your diagonal line. See, this is the shape you will find. It is cut. So beak we cut, face we cut, and diagonal line, and same we will cut only this, a small cut on this. Yes, this is going to be tail. So the figure which we made now, this we cut. This is going to be tail. This is going to be beak. This is going to be face, and this is going to be neck. Okay? Yeah. Come on, do. Same here. And we will simply cut it this ways. We will cut it and diagonal line. And here also this. So we will simply do it this ways. Both are done. And now carefully, very carefully, we will start giving cut all around. And we draw it first, but once your hand is set, you will be able to do it easily. Otherwise, these lines of pencil keep reflecting, but still I made it this ways so that you can understand it nicely. And especially those who are very young, they will be knowing that which lines they need to cut. But this thing could be done easily. And when you do work with scissors, my dear children, you are extremely focused. It's amazing craft, pasting, cutting, watercolors. These all are focus enhancing activities. And in craft and drawing, the thing which is very magical is that your both hands are doing different work. Your one hand is holding, hand is doing different work. See, this ways I put the cut all around. And see here, I didn't draw any line. I can cut it directly also. We can cut it directly also. It's simple. We are simply supposed to put cut, but make sure with little patience. It should not be like in a hurry you are doing and spoiling everything. No. And when you are doing it without lines, or otherwise, if you feel that you are not able to do that ways, better you draw lines and then you do. And here, make sure you will be doing it the way that your corner should not be detached. And this is the way I will make cut. And this will add a furry look to your beautiful swan. Okay? Come on, let's complete it. Yeah, so see, we'll find that part of the body which we draw is like away. And as we used white paper, so our swans will be looking beautiful, snow white. Okay. Yeah. Come on, do this. Yes, and purposely we took two. If you feel that you want to make a baby also, you can. If you want to show that mama and with two, three babies, the cute, cute small babies you can make. Complete family you can, according to size of your paper. If your size of paper is small, then you can go for one also. And if you want to connect with the concept, like you can simply show that sun is 2026 and we want to reach leaving 2025 behind. And new targets, new things we want to reach to. Okay, so after this, the cutting of it is ready. Like carefully, we are supposed to do it. And suppose while doing folding and all, it turn up, and like I got a message like my paper got wet and it got teared. Very first thing, watercolor work, and not only watercolor work, for all kind of coloring, your color paper quality should be perfect. Poor paper quality I never recommend, and please switch on to best quality paper. And especially when you're doing watercolors, make sure you will not keep moving your cotton again and again at the place. Otherwise paper will absorb that moisture and will tear. And sometimes suppose it happens in class and something turn up wrong while cutting, something went wrong, go wrong, and don't panic. You will get the recording of the class with lifetime validity. So you can revise it. Be courageous. Be courageous. That if I did this wrong, I will do it again. Many times students start panicking, start crying, but never do this. Okay? Shall we start? Yeah? Okay. Finish. The last, that is assembly. So we have everything ready. We will simply assemble and then our work will be done. Okay? So I will continue my story. So this year, when there was no water and water pond was completely dried, both the swans they were very much worried about. And now what shall we do? So as they could fly, and they decided now they will have to go to some other place, other jungle. But they were worried about their dear friend Turtle. What to do? Like he can't fly. We can't leave him alone here. So they were thinking, what shall we do? And they were not ready to go alone, leaving their dear friend to die there. But Turtle, understanding their dilemma, their inner struggle, told that, my dear friends, I'm telling you, go. Otherwise, what will happen with me? You will also die. We don't have any food available, no water is available. So please, you go away from here. But these both the swans, they were not ready to go alone. Shall we start now? Yeah. All of you show now. Show these two papers with cutting. Yes, I want to see. You can do one thing, all of you. Make one. And another one you can make afterwards. Okay? Yeah. Make one and other one you can go make afterwards. So, chalo, come on. Show me one. One you have done now? Yeah. Now what you will do, you will simply, very carefully, you will now, if you will open it, this side will go down. You will come down to see the body will come up. You will go down, very carefully do this. You will go down, so this body will be left. And as my paper is quite thick, so you can see the beak is stiff. If your paper will be thin, it will bend. And this paper which we have, it will go back in this tail. Take your tail out of it. Very carefully you do, huh? Don't try to pull it harsh. And this is your tail will come out of it. Okay. And yeah, you will simply adjust it this way. And this one is ready. See, beautiful swan is ready. These are wings. Okay, if you feel that these are looking too much, and this is going to be your tail. Okay, see, and it is a 2D effect. Can you see this? The feathers, these are two wings, and it seems as if they are flying. The 3D look of feather will make it looking appealing. And yeah, and this is your swan ready. We will be doing its pasting either with double-sided tape or something. And yes, don't forget to make its beautiful eye. And you can leave it, like if you feel that you want to make beak also with some color, you can. Otherwise, you can simply leave it white. So we will leave it white. And now we are going to start with the another one. Okay? This fold. I will show you again. See, this part we have, this part where this we cut this, you will open it, and this part, the front part, will go back. Okay, and it will go, the tail which we cut now, we will take out from it slowly. If you will pull it harsh, then what will happen? It will tear. And the measurements which I gave you will help you getting the perfect way of making it. And see, this is the way it will be done. I will show you once, just a minute. Okay, yeah. See, this is the way you will find it available. Find it, see. This is your beautiful place. Okay, yeah, see. Okay, come on, do this. Okay, see, it will go, and I will show you again. It will go and will get tugged. It will get in tugged, that hook shape which we made backside. Okay, and yes, this is the way your beautiful swan will be ready. See, okay, two swans are ready, and you can see it's 3D wings. They are ready to fly, it seems. Enough? And yes, don't forget to make one eye over. And if you feel that you want to make beak also with some color, you can. But as our background is quite dark, so I will simply use it this way. See, this is the way you will be doing. Okay? ये तो चलेगी 1 घंटा. ये घंटा मेरे को कॉल करके बोलेगा पीपी चेक करने का मैं तो चेक कर लूंगा. Okay? Yes. And by the time your paper is over, your paper is over, paper is ready. And now we will start with the work. Okay? Yeah. So here you can keep any of the part, upper side or lower side, and these two swans want to fly up in the sky. Okay, we want to show them flying in the sky and a sun in the corner. If you want to show your background with red color, you can. And these are going to be your two swans. Okay, you can simply show it moving towards sun. You can show it flying in jungle. In any of the ways, you can simply show that. Darker your background will be, better they will turn up well. And its 3D look will give it a beautiful and amazing look. Okay? So what we will do, we will simply do its pasting here on the surface. One after another we can show. You can show one upper side, one lower side. You know? According to available space. If you want to make babies also, you can make babies also. If you feel that I don't want to show it very much highlighted, hai na? Like here the wings are absolutely open. But when you will do it pasting this way, so it will give a 3D look to your work. But if you feel you don't want it too much 3D, you can press it a little bit. Okay, now is the time to do its pasting. Come on, do this. And now we will assemble all things, and a beautiful jungle with lovely pair of swans would be ready. Okay, come on. I have a Fevicol. I will place it. The very first element I will add, that is this sun. You can use double-sided tape also. So this yellow sun, which is looking quite bright. And I will simply do pasting of Fevicol. And double-sided tape could also be used. My Fevicol is strong enough, thick enough to in one go, like, okay, it get pasted. I will simply press. Okay. And but another side, and not the side where we have eyes. You will simply place it on another side of the body, and even tail and even beak. And you will be showing the another one also. Okay. Another one also. Nicely, paste it nicely. You will have to hold if your Fevicol is not strong enough. You will have to wait. You can show them slightly diagonal, or you can show them straight. Straight will also look good, or slightly diagonal will also look good. Okay? And here it seems as if this is a jungle, and that our color in background are somewhere giving the look of green and brown backside, that suggestive textured look. And here this is looking like bluish water surrounded with bushes. Upper side, it seems as if there's a canopy of tree with textured look. And here two swans, they want to reach to their destination. Okay. And this is our complete look. Now I can understand it's not difficult. It's not easy to pick up your files and show. And here these are just two, but if you can paste one also. You can make babies also, and don't make it too much diagonal, and our wings will go upper side. And now this paper, if you will put on your carry bag, it will turn up. It will give a very beautiful and different look to your carry bags. And with Blinkit and all, we get carry bags of khaki color. And this kind of calendars or this kind of papers you can make and put it on both the side of surface. And that boring carry bags could be used as the bag, which could be gifted for gift purpose, or will look decorative and beautiful. Very good. See this face, head will go upper side. Make sure head will go upper side. Head will not come down. Head will go upper side. If your head is coming down, you fold your wings wrong side. If you will fold your wings another side, you will fold your wings in the way so that the head will come upper side. Okay? Yeah. And this is your craft ready. I will request all of you to practice this with some rough papers, because this craft is simple but extremely beautiful. Could be used for decorating planters, for wall decoration, stage decoration. And you can make multiple of this kind, and just as a boundary, 3 colors if you will take, you can connect it with tricolor, that India, the concept of India. So this ways this can be used. And save birds, the topic of save birds could be used. And now I will request moms to be with us so that we can talk. Yes, I can see you all are lost in your work, and I can see Avika. She used green and orange color, and see beautifully she completed. You can see the screen. Avika made this beautiful work. I can see how lovely, in a beautiful way, it turned up. And can you see, you are not far from me. And here, as the little small space we were having, so one swan has been put. Very good, lovely. Now I will request moms to unmute themselves, those who are spotlight. Advika Chauhan. Ma'am, will you please unmute yourself? Advika Chauhan, Sharmishta. Do you have your papa or mama with you, Sharmishta? And others? Yes, these are spotlight. I will request to give your feedback. Yes, Advika Chauhan. Advika Chauhan. Ma'am, will you please unmute yourself? Yeah, your spotlight. Hello, ma'am. Yeah. Hello, ma'am. Please try to unmute yourself. You have that access. I'm not able to hear you.
No, I was just talking to my daughter. She was upset that she was unable to make the swan. So I was
Okay.
explaining to her that we can make it later. We will refer to your video.
Yeah. That's what I was telling in beginning only, because it happens with students, and we want them to overcome this actually. When on regular basis they will attend this kind of craft classes. Where is she? I will make her understand this. Okay.
Yeah, Adu, मैम बुला रही है इधर आओ.
Hello, Advika. Advika?
Yeah, just a second, please.
हेलो अद्विका, मैं देख रही थी कि आप इतने एफर्ट्सफुली बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. कई बार ऐसा होता है बेटा कि क्लास में जब हम बना रहे होते हैं तो वो उतना अच्छा टर्न अप नहीं होता, पर कोई बात नहीं है ना. आप एक बार फिर ट्राई करना. मे बी कि आपने फोल्ड है ना वो ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में कर दिया होगा. ऑपोजिट, ये सबसे बड़ी गलती है जो करते हैं. अगर आपने हेड के ऊपर से इसको फोल्ड नहीं करा ना तो आपको टक करने के लिए टेल नहीं मिलती. तो कोई बात नहीं, आप इसको दोबारा ट्राई करना, डिसहार्टन मत होना. ओके. पर आपने जो कटिंग वगैरह की थी वो बिल्कुल परफेक्ट है, और बना के मुझे जरूर शेयर करना. ओके ओके, यू एंजॉय इट. हाँ मैम, मैं ये जानना चाह रही हूँ कि इस तरह के सेशंस आपको कैसे लगते हैं, कि बच्चों के लिए हेल्पफुल हैं और हमें रेगुलर बेस पर लेने चाहिए या नहीं?
Sure, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Sarmishta's fortunately we have dads also. आदर्श के पापा हैं हमारे साथ. Sarmishta's father. Please unmute yourself, sir. Hello, sir.
Hello, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. How are you, sir?
Fine, ma'am.
Sir, please do share your feedback.
No, she's learning very good, and then she is making very nice pictures and other part, and she's learning, and we can see there is an improvement. She's liking the
Okay.
class also.
Okay. And Sarmishta, you are also enjoying like sitting. It is a big time span. We are like making them sit. They are simply listening. They are not allowed to unmute themselves. So, are you enjoying, or you feel like to run away?
No. She never runs away. She completes and she comes back and she shows.
Wow, very good, Sharmishta. It shows that how attentive and devoted you are. Very good. And do share your craft, okay? But definitely right now pasting would be happening. So don't lift up your file, but afterwards you can share your work, okay? Enjoying? Yeah?
Thank you,
Great.
ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. Adarsh. Yes, Adarsh. Mehato, please, sir, unmute yourself. Then Jinansh. Yes, stay tuned. We will come to you. Yeah. Hello, sir.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, how are you, sir?
We're doing good, ma'am. Thank you.
Sir, please do share your feedback, like this kind of classes in which we try to make them understand the beauty of craft, and somewhere we try to repurpose things. What you think about is how?
This not only this class, the regular drawing classes are also really inspiring and really good. It keeps my son really engaged, and he is very much interested. Before and all, there was no interest for him. Now he's
Acha.
very much interested, and he wants to carry on full day to do this kind of activities.
Okay, that's amazing, because the parents are very much confused in online
Correct.
class how they will be able to get connected. So
Yeah,
definitely this doubt.
now he's so well connected that he is excited to join each and every class of yours. He doesn't want to miss anything.
And that's why he's able to create masterpieces on regular basis. Others keep sharing the work, and you're
Yes,
doing
yes.
great. Others, keep it up. Okay, very good.
So he has
Thank
done
you.
his work. He has done his work. This is
Wow, very good, beautiful. It turned up really well.
yeah.
Amazing, very good, my dear. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Jinansh, yes, please unmute yourself, and after that, Ihan. Okay, after that we will come to Ihan. Yes. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello, how are you, ma'am?
Fine.
Yes, ma'am. Please do share your feedback. How was the class? And
It was a very nice
how-
question. My son liked it very much.
okay. And Jinan, you got the like all the instructions clearly? You were able to? Okay.
He do all things alone.
Acha, wow, that's amazing. That's amazing.
हम उसके बाजू में बैठे नहीं थे, उसने अकेले ही सब किया है.
अरे भाई, ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, और ये दिखाता है जिनांश कि आपने कितने अटेंटिवली क्लास अटेंड किए, इसी वजह से आप इसे कर पाए. बहुत सुंदर, बहुत ही बढ़िया. ग्रीन बैकग्राउंड के साथ इन्होंने बहुत मैजिकल वर्क किया, और कम स्पेस था तो इन्होंने बहुत विजडम के साथ एक बनाई है बर्ड. ये बहुत जरूरी है अवेलेबल स्पेस के अकॉर्डिंग, बहुत. और ये क्राफ्ट ये बहुत जगह इन्हें हेल्पफुल होगा. तो थैंक यू सो मच मैम, और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि बच्चे ऑनलाइन क्लास में इतने अटेंटिवली.
Thank you so much for taking such a classes.
Thank you so much, and we are going to have many more out of waste material of this kind. तो हर बार जरूर अटेंड करना, ओके? और आप अपने फ्रेंड्स, रिलेटिव्स, नेबर्स इनको भी इनवाइट कर सकते हैं इसमें, ठीक है?
so much,
हाँ,
ma'am.
thank you so much. Thank you. Now, Ihan, I can see Ihan. He created beautiful sun with three colors and lovely background colors with textured look, upper side, lower side. Please unmute yourself, Ihan.
Yes.
Yes, Ihan, very good. Very good. Lovely. Do share it on WhatsApp, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Shreen,
Hello, ma'am. Good
hello.
evening.
Hello, how are you, ma'am?
I'm good, ma'am. Shall we say hi to ma'am?
Hi, ma'am.
Hello, my dear. How are you?
Ma'am, I'm fine. Fine. What about you?
I'm also good. Thank you so much. Now show your work. How was the class? Enjoyed?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, she has made all the other drawings. Actually, today, the cow and everything, she has made all the
Wow.
monkey and all.
Wow, wow.
Today, actually, I think craft mein shayad she could make the base, but she couldn't make the swans. She tried, but yeah, I'll share her the recording. She's very much interested, and then she
Yes,
listens
yes.
to
Make her do, because
me.
this craft will help in so many ways, like board decoration and others. Okay, so you
Yes,
try
ma'am.
with recorded session. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, I just wanted to say a gratitude of thanks to you. I'm blessed with another little daughter of mine. So
Oh,
she's 3 months old. But because of your classes and it keeps her engaged in a very skillful and in a very productive manner. So she attends your class and she's very interested and keenly keeps all her artworks. And whoever comes to our home, she shows this to them. That so thank you so much, ma'am, for making her time so useful.
thank you so much, and lots of blessings to you and the younger one. One more
Thank you,
artist.
ma'am.
Okay, and you're doing great, and don't get disheartened. Okay, try this one more time with help of recorded session. Okay, my dear. Yeah.
Ma'am, can I
हाँ,
show
bet-
you some drawings?
your normal drawings, you can share it on my personal WhatsApp number. You will find it in
ma'am.
description. Okay.
Okay, one
Okay, ma'am.
second.
Sure, we'll
Okay.
share.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, please.
Yes. I will request Sharon also, Sharon Kaur, then Anika and Srijita Dubey. Please stay tuned. We will come to you too. Yes, Sharon Kaur. Please unmute yourself. Hello, wow, it's so beautiful with lovely background. And I can see a little touch up of orange in corners of sun for making it looking more creative. Yes. Please unmute yourself, ma'am. Sharon Kaur.
Hi, ma'am. Hello.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. Thank you so much,
So,
ma'am.
ma'am, see the beautiful art by
Wow.
me and Sharon.
It's really lovely.
The baby
Beautiful.
swan is made by me, and the big swan, mama swan, is made by
Beautiful and perfectly. And even the
Sharon.
complete.
Say hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, my dear. You did excellent work with your mom. And are you enjoying the most important thing? I want to know from parents that are students enjoying this online efforts of ours, because it is quite long in time. So, are they joyfully attending and able to do?
Yes, ma'am.
She was
Yes.
waiting since 2:30 because earlier your class starts, Art 1 is
Yeah.
2:30. So we try to join your session at 2:30, but later on we realize session is at 7:30.
Yeah,
So
today we
eagerly
faced.
waiting from last
Acha.
5 hours, like when
Acha.
my class will be started.
Okay, today due to some technical issue also we got little
No,
delayed.
no
But thank you
worries.
so much for patience
And
and
the best part, it's not what I feel. It's not only the art class you conduct and have session, but I feel it's a therapy for me. Sometimes I got myself engaged, whatever you prepare, you teach. So I also start doing along with her to, make such interesting crafts.
wow, this is an artist family, I will have to say. Beautiful work both of you have done.
Ma'am, thank you so much and keep up the great work as always you are doing. Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
so much. Thank you so much. This all is because of your trust and love of yours, support of all of yours. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Lots of blessings. Anika Naik, please try to unmute yourself. Yes. Hello. How are you, ma'am? Hello. हाँ, अनिका, it's a lovely work. आपने बहुत अच्छा बनाया. Beautiful work. You enjoyed the class?
Yes.
Okay, now keep trying, and 2, 3 more swans you try so that you will understand the method nicely. Okay, my dear?
I made it myself. No?
Made it myself.
Wow, that's really amazing. Ma'am, how was the class? What is your experience?
It's very nice. It's very helpful to keep her engaged for 1 hour.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. I
She's
can see,
learning.
yes, craft is somewhere very helpful, improving their creativity and
Yeah.
focus, and little efforts like try to reuse waste stuff also. And they can take some colorful papers from wedding cards or and they can think about doing something creative out of it. Thank you so much. You did excellent work, Anika. Do share the work on WhatsApp, okay?
Thank you,
Very
Miss.
good. And now, Srijita Dubey, I will request you to unmute
Yeah.
yourself. Hello, sir. Fortunately, we have so many papas today. So please do share your feedback.
So I also being a responsible father, I'm taking the authority on the side of Srijita. She is doing well. And the best part of your program is that she has stopped going or watching mobile, which is very much harmful. So I
Yeah.
find this period of time is really productive for them, and they find it quite busy with the new acts and new activities you are doing. So it's a honorable job for me also and for you also that you are
Thank you
giving
so
other
much.
alternatives to the kids for taking their time,
Yeah.
and they are not wasting their mobile time in mobile. They are doing some productive work.
Yeah, thank you so much. And I'm very happy to know that this is online class. And the main doubt of parents is like how my child will be able to sit and do. But if she is attentively doing, then amazing. And Shrijita is really doing great. I saw her work when she was sewing. Amazing. Shrijita, you did great work. And the background, especially the dark green color you put in background, it has really enhanced the beauty. Very well done, my dear. I will request Avika, Aranya Garg also to stay tuned. है ना? Your spotlight, we will come to. Thank you so much, sir, for your lovely feedback. Thank you. Yes, Avika, please unmute yourself. Hello.
हेलो मैम
Hello.
Hello. Hello, how are you both?
आई एम गुड मैम
Ma'am,
आपकी ड्राइंग्स इसको बहुत पसंद है इसलिए इसने ज्वाइन भी कर रखा है और हमेशा ड्राइंग से पहले 15 मिनट पहले ही बैठ जाती है कि मुझे आज ड्राइंग करना है
बहुत अच्छी। ये सबसे बड़ा हमारा मुझे लगता है ईश्वर का आशीर्वाद है कि हमारे पास
हाँ
इतने डिवोटेड बच्चे हैं, इतने
और
हार्डवर्किंग।
ड्राइंग क्लास जिस दिन होती है उस दिन ये क्या करती है पहले ही अपनी सारी पढ़ाई या फिर होमवर्क सारा कुछ कंप्लीट करके बैठती है ये
अरे
लगता है कि इस
वाह,
बहाने ये लोग जल्दी पढ़ लेते हैं
दैट्स अमेजिंग अविका। और तुम्हारा ये डिवोशन तुम्हारे हर आर्टवर्क में नजर आता है ना? इट
थैंक
शोज कि तुम कितनी अच्छी आर्टिस्ट हो। और आज का भी आर्टवर्क कितना अच्छा मुझे नजर आ रहा है। बहुत
यस
अच्छी
मैम
कोशिश की है, बहुत बढ़िया। क्या बात है, बहुत बढ़िया, सुंदर असेंबल किया है। मैम आप जरूर बच्चे के हाथ में आर्टवर्क के साथ सारे पेरेंट्स शेयर कीजिएगा। यस दियान, हम तुम्हारे पास भी आएंगे, है ना? थैंक यू सो मच मैम, एंड प्लीज डू शेयर योर फीडबैक। थैंक
ओके
यू।
मैम
Aranya Garg, I will request Aranya Garg. Then Diyan, we will come to you, okay? Aranya Garg, ma'am, please try to unmute yourself. Hello.
Ma'am, hello.
How are you, ma'am? Hello, ma'am. Please try to unmute yourself, ma'am.
Ma'am, we had muted it.
Acha, Arayna. Yes, I remember Arayna. In Hindi, you specially write.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please do share your feedback. Wow, so beautiful. So beautiful. I love it and liked it. Even the cutting and everything is wonderful. Ma'am, please do share your feedback
मैम
about.
फीडबैक तो ऐसा है कि मैं 15 दिन से यहाँ पर हम नहीं थे मैं अपने घर गई हुई थी छुट्टियों में तो इसकी क्लासेस मिस हो गई थी तो इसने कल से आके शुरू कर दिया देखो इसने कल ये भी कंप्लीट की है
वाह, बहुत बढ़िया। तुलसी दिवस,
एक
बहुत
दिन
बढ़िया।
में 3 पेंटिंग अपनी ड्राइंग्स कंप्लीट की है कि मुझे सब कुछ मतलब छोड़ना कुछ नहीं है
ये मैं बोल रही हूँ ना कि मैं बहुत ब्लेस्ड हूँ कि मेरे पास इतने डिवोटेड और हार्डवर्किंग बच्चे हैं। और
इसने कल
ऑनलाइन
सुबह इसने सुबह उठकर ना 11 o'clock ब्रेकफास्ट किया और उसके बाद ये बैठ गई शाम के 6 बजे तक इसने 4 ड्राइंग कंप्लीट की है ये देखिए ये भी बनाई
वाओ, अरायना, रियली प्राउड ऑफ यू। है ना?
थैंक
ये
यू
आपका ये डिवोशन ही आपके आर्टवर्क्स में रिफ्लेक्ट करता है बेटा। ये आपका आर्टवर्क है ना, आपका रिफ्लेक्शन है। आपकी ड्राइंग्स आपका रिफ्लेक्शन होती है. वेरी गुड.
Yes, before I joined this class, I was
आज इसने एक कोस्टर्स भी बनाया मैम, ये देखिए.
बहुत सुंदर है. लवली.
ये
बहुत
देखिए.
प्यारे हैं मैम. इसे जरूर व्हाट्सएप पे भी शेयर कीजिएगा. बहुत
Yes,
प्यारे बने
ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
and ma'am,
मैम.
I was saying that before attending your class, I was too excited for my paintings. I made total 3 canvas paintings about these.
Wow, very good. Please do share them all on WhatsApp so that I can share my
Okay.
feedback also. Okay?
Thank you
Great.
so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much for. See, we all are a family, and together
Yes,
we all
ma'am.
are working towards the direction of nurturing these young brains. And that's why I started with my online stories also, so that they
मैम
can.
अराना की मेरी तो लड़ाई भी हो जाती है क्लास के लिए,
अच्छा, okay.
क्योंकि
नहीं
वो
मैं.
सुबह से शुरू हो जाती है कि मम्मा लिंक आ गया, मम्मा कौन सा सामान चाहिए, मम्मा बाजार से कुछ लाना तो नहीं है.
नहीं, मैं आई एम टेलिंग यू कि एक हिडन आर्टिस्ट है इनके अंदर. इसी वजह से इतनी दूर मैं बैठी हूँ. ऑनलाइन क्लास, अक्सर पेरेंट्स डाउटफुल होते हैं कि ऑनलाइन क्लास में बच्चे कैसे सीखेंगे. पर इन
Yes.
बच्चों का डिवोशन और हार्डवर्क देखिए कि लगातार ये सुन रहे हैं बस. नहीं तो मोबाइल के जमाने में जब हर मोमेंट स्क्रीन चेंज होती है, अगर ये फोकस से सुन के इंस्ट्रक्शन को इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे हैं तो ये कितनी बड़ी उनके अंदर डिवोशन है.
इसे बहुत डांट पड़ती है मैम. ये 3 बजे शुरू हो जाती है, मम्मा 7:30 बजे क्लास है, 7:30 मैंने सामान इकट्ठा करना है. ये मतलब लग जाती है फिर की कंटिन्यू कुछ छूट
चलो,
ना
मुझे तो
जाए.
ये सुन के बड़ी खुशी हो रही है. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच मैम.
डांट नहीं है इसको, ये इतने खुश होकर घर से करने दे. मैंने कहा मैं मना नहीं कर रही हूँ, पर मुझे तंग ना कर, जो करना है कर.
नहीं नहीं, हम क्राफ्ट में ना इसीलिए मटेरियल बहुत सिंपल रखते हैं कि पेरेंट्स को भागना ना पड़े. अरायना, आप बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो और अपनी चीजें व्हाट्सएप पे जरूर शेयर करना. ओके,
थैंक यू
टेक
सो
केयर.
मच.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम. थैंक यू. अब दियान आपके पास मॉम है. अपने आप को अनम्यूट करो. यस यस, दियान अपने नंबर का बड़ी देर से बेसब्री से इन्होंने एक छोटा सा फ्लैग बनाया. वेरी गुड. और आज का आर्टवर्क आपका कैसा रहा क्राफ्ट? अरे वाह, क्या बात है दियान, बहुत सुंदर बना है. बहुत अच्छी कोशिश है. मैम प्लीज मुझे थोड़ा सा फीडबैक आप बताइए. बच्चे बहुत छोटे हैं, क्लासेस की लेंथ काफी बड़ी हो जाती है स्पेशली क्राफ्ट की. मैं बस ये जानना चाहती हूँ कि जॉयफुली बच्चे कर पाते हैं, उनका क्या काम करते वक्त उनका क्या जील रहता है, ये जानना मेरे लिए बहुत जरूरी है ताकि हम अपनी क्लासेस में उस तरह के अकॉर्डिंगली कुछ चेंजेस अगर जरूरी है तो कर पाए. प्लीज अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर लीजिए मैम. दियान, प्लीज ट्राई टू अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ.
मैम दियान बहुत एंजॉय करता है ड्राइंग क्लास में भी. ये है जूनियर बैच में, प्री जूनियर में.
हाँ, यस आई नो.
बट स्टिल वो बहुत एंजॉय करता था क्लास को, और एक भी क्लासेस में मिस नहीं किया है.
अच्छा, यानी इतने छोटे बच्चे अगर ऑनलाइन क्लास को अटेंडिवली कर रहे हैं तो ये बहुत उनके अंदर कितनी बड़ी एक डिवोशन वाली चीज छुपी हुई है, ये हम समझ पाते. ध्यान, आप इतने सीरियस क्यों हो? यू कैन स्माइल. हाँ, इतनी ब्यूटीफुल स्माइल है आपकी. आपने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है. वेरी गुड बेटा. ठीक है, इसे प्रैक्टिस 2-3 बार और करना रफ पेजेस पे ताकि आपको ये अच्छे से आ जाए. ओके, आप ड्राइंग क्लासेस में भी बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो. वेरी गुड, कीप इट अप. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Chehek and Purnima, Jayesh, we will come to you too. Hello, Chehek. Yes, I can see lovely work, beautiful craft, lovely colors.
हाँ मैम, ये तो बहुत एक्साइटेड रहती मैम क्लासेस अटेंड करने के लिए. ऑलवेज सी मेड दिस वन आल्सो मैम. ये भी बनाया.
बहुत अच्छा है. हाँ, ये शुरू में दिखा रही थी, बहुत अच्छा बना है.
Please find any classes to show this. You are not seeing na. She's upset. Why ma'am not telling my name?
बेटा, in class है ना, many times what happens, so many children are showing their craft. तो वहां पे फिर हमें इग्नोर करना पड़ता है क्योंकि ना एक का नाम लिया, एक का नहीं लिया तो फिर गड़बड़ हो जाएगी. हाँ, क्योंकि ना क्लास का क्वालिटी टाइम, क्योंकि हमें वो एक टाइम स्लॉट होता है जिसमें हमें क्लास भी फिनिश करनी होती है, नेक्स्ट क्लास होती है, तो फिर वहां फिर हम क्या करते हैं, सबको स्किप कर देते हैं क्योंकि फिर हम व्हाट्सएप पे हम कनेक्ट हो पाते हैं. ठीक है ना. चलिए, तो बहुत अच्छा किया है आपने आज भी चहक, और अपने आर्टवर्क को जरूर शेयर कीजिएगा. ठीक है, थैंक यू. मैं पूर्णिमा जयेश जी से आई विल रिक्वेस्ट, प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ मैम, एंड आफ्टर दैट वी विल कम ऑन देवांश राउत. ओके, yes ma'am, please unmute yourself. Purnima Jayesh. Unmute yourself ma'am. I'm not able to hear you. Please try to unmute yourself. I think some technical issue we are facing.
Ma'am, she
Uh,
unmuted, but I think the issue
okay.
is at her end.
Okay, okay. I think, Purnima ma'am, we have some issue, like some technical problem from your end. Uh, okay, please keep trying. We will turn up again towards you. Devansh Rawat, you can unmute yourself by the time.
Hello,
And
ma'am.
hello, how are you, ma'am?
Hello, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Good.
Hi.
तो देवांश बहुत एंजॉय करता है क्लास में और उसको
Uh,
ड्राइंग बहुत अच्छा लगता है। वो बाकी खाली जब भी बैठता है तब भी कुछ ना कुछ बनाता रहता है।
बहुत अच्छी बात है ये।
छोटा है लेकिन बहुत अच्छा नहीं बनाता, लेकिन एंगेज रहता है।
नहीं नहीं, ये
और
शुरुआत है। देखिए, शुरू में हो सकता है कि वर्क अनटाइडी हो, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट लुक में हो, लेकिन यही शुरुआत है। अगर बच्चा अपना टाइम एक क्रिएटिव उसमें दे रहा है तो ये हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी उपलब्धि है।
जी
और
जी जी मैम।
और
और
ये जान
मैं उसको पिक
हाँ,
करने के लिए स्कूल जाती हूँ, तो ये स्कूल में भी बैठ के कुछ ना कुछ बनाता रहता है।
अरे वाह देवांश, आप तो एकदम बॉर्न
और
आर्टिस्ट हो फिर।
और उसको उसके क्लास टीचर भी बोलते हैं कि इसके अंदर कुछ है, मतलब
हाँ
ये
नहीं,
ड्राइंग को लेके। तो ये बहुत एंजॉय करता है और उसको अच्छा भी लगता है ड्राइंग बनाना।
हाँ मैम, मुझे लगता है कि आज जितने भी बच्चे 1 सवा घंटे से हमें सुन रहे हैं और इतने पेशेंस
जी
के साथ बना रहे हैं, इन सब में आर्टिस्ट छुपा है। और मेरा मानना है मैम,
जी जी
हर
जी
बच्चे
मैम।
में आर्टिस्ट है। बस हमें उसे बड़े
हर
प्यार
बच्चे।
से, बड़े दुलार से उसे बस उकेरना है। हर बच्चे में
जी जी
क्रिएटिविटी है। तो आई एम वेरी
यस।
हैप्पी टू नो कि देवांश जॉयफुली करते हैं क्लासेस। थैंक यू सो मच।
जी जी
देवांश,
मैम,
आपको
बहुत
मजा आता है?
एक्साइटेड भी आपको मजा आता है?
Yes.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच मैम।
थैंक यू सो मच मैम।
थैंक यू। नीति प्रजापति। पूर्णिमा मैम, आप प्लीज ट्राई कीजिए, ताकि अगर आप अनम्यूट कर पाए तो हम आपसे भी बात कर पाए। पूर्णिमा जयेश,
Hello,
प्लीज कीप
ma'am.
ट्राइंग। हेलो
Uh,
हेलो मैम, हाउ आर यू?
evening. I'm fine. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Please do share your experience about our classes.
Ma'am, my daughter is
Oh,
learning so much after joining
wow.
the classes. She's in
It's
junior batch
it's
and
such
just started
amazing
this
work she
January.
created today.
And इससे पहले ये जो है ना थोड़ा सा हट गई थी ड्राइंग से।
अच्छा,
और
okay.
आपका दिसंबर में फ्री सेशंस हुए। I just came across those things on Facebook.
हाँ
थॉट कि मैं ट्राई करती हूँ, शायद इंटरेस्ट दोबारा से डेवलप हो जाए।
हाँ।
तो
नहीं मैम, कई बार है ना, एलिजिबिलिटी का डिसाइड होना बहुत जरूरी है। अगर बच्चे ग्रो हो रहे हैं और उन्हें हम प्री जूनियर बैच में ही रखेंगे,
हाँ
है ना,
जी
ग्रोथ के साथ, एलिजिबिलिटी के साथ इनको प्रमोट होना जरूरी होता है। तो
जी
आप इनके आर्टवर्क अगर रेगुलर बेस पर मेरे साथ शेयर करेंगे ना, कई पेरेंट्स
जी
हैं जो रेगुलर क्लासेस के आर्टवर्क शेयर नहीं करते, तो उससे क्या होता है कि डिस्कनेक्शन आ जाता है,
हाँ जी
जिससे
हाँ जी
प्रमोशन मुश्किल हो जाता है। तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि नीति बहुत सुंदर काम किया है। वेरी गुड,
मैम
इट्स
नीति
रियली
इज माय नेम, हर
अच्छा,
नेम इज
okay.
प्रीशा।
Prisha, it's amazing work, beautiful. Even the
क्योंकि
background
प्रीशा
colors and
का
everything is
कल
there.
परसों में स्कूल में मैगजीन के लिए एक वो है आर्ट वर्क सबमिट करना है। तो बहुत
Okay,
लंबे समय के बाद इसने जो है विलिंगली अपना पार्टिसिपेशन दिया है कि मम्मा घर से बना के ले जाना है। एंड आई विल डू दैट, प्लीज आस्क फ्रॉम
very
मैम
good.
कि उसके ऊपर वो कुछ मुझे हेल्प कर देंगी।
नहीं, I'm always there to support you, Adya. Adya, na?
मैम प्रीशा।
Prisha. And Prisha, see, you are blessed with creativity. So don't let it go away. Don't let it die. Keep it nurturing, because this is blessings of Almighty God. Okay, my dear? है ना, जब भी लगे कि हमारे एक तरह के आर्टवर्क पे नहीं, देर आर मल्टीपल। आप हमारे आर्जियो शॉप पे जाओगे तो कैनवस पेंटिंग्स है, क्राफ्ट है, टेक्सचर आर्ट है, क्या नहीं है। आप, है ना, ये होता है कि कई बार एक ही तरह का होता है ना, तो मोनोटोनस हो जाता है। बट कीप दिस ब्लेसिंग्स ऑफ ऑलमाइटी गॉड अलाइव, ठीक है, क्योंकि ये क्रिएटिविटी ईश्वर की सबसे
ओके
बड़ी
मैम।
देन है। ठीक है, आपने बहुत अच्छा काम किया, वेरी गुड। डू शेयर इट ऑन
थैंक
व्हाट्सएप।
यू मैम।
Thank you. Purnima ma'am, please try to unmute yourself if you can now.
Ma'am, good evening. We have unmuted. If you can hear me.
Hi, yes, I can hear you
How are you,
finally.
ma'am?
I'm good. How are you, ma'am?
Good, doing good, ma'am. Your classes are really great, no doubt. And she is very much into it. And she's been trying whatever work she's been doing. We are in regular, been updating it to you, ma'am.
Wow.
And
Yeah, and
because of this influence, now I made my 4-year-old son also to join so that he's also engaged at a early
Okay.
stage. And this is the one which she did, ma'am.
Wow, very good. And red orange is looking so beautiful with blue river below. My God.
Purely her effort, ma'am. No, nothing from my side, purely her effort.
Wow, it's really amazing. Beautiful. Very good, my dear.
One good point I should say is she always, while painting, it's a mess. But after the class, जैसे आप बताते हो कि clean करना है, so she ensures that the whole table is cleaned after the class. So that
Wow, that's
good point
really amazing and make me feel so good कि बच्चे इंस्ट्रक्शन को इतने प्यार से और ध्यान से सुनते हैं.
True, ma'am. It's because
Um,
you're engaging them in the right way, with the right spirit. That's why.
नहीं, I'm blessed with the most devoted and creative students and very supportive parents. You all are truly like, I feel I'm blessed with this all. Thank you so much for your lovely feedback. Fortunately, you are able to unmute yourself. अदरवाइज ये गैप रह ही जाता. एंड मैम मुझे बस ये भी चीज जाननी थी जो मैं सभी पेरेंट्स से पूछ रही हूँ कि दिस इज अ क्वाइट बिग time span when we are taking craft class. So is she joyfully able to sit and attend?
Yes, ma'am, very much. She's very much engaged. 1 hour, matlab, she runs here, there, whatever. She tries to make all the things available. But if she's shortage of something, she's very quick and swift. She finds out and she manages.
Wow, very good.
She ensures that within that class it's complete. And if it's not complete, then she again sees your video and she does it by herself.
Wow, that's really amazing. I'm so happy. Very good, my dear. You're doing great. Very good. Take care. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. And now we have Uddhav, Advika, and Shravya. है ना? Yes, please try to unmute Uddhav, Advika, Pratisha, Tanmay, है ना? So after that we will come to you and then Shravya Sishta. Hello, ma'am. How are you? Hello, ma'am. Try to unmute yourself, ma'am. Ma'am, Advika, ma'am, please, you try to unmute yourself. I think they're facing some technical issue.
Yeah.
Advika. Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. Thank you. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much. Wow, it's a beautiful work. Lovely. Lovely. Extremely lovely.
Yes, ma'am. She enjoys your class, and I always tell her that your ma'am is amazing. I'm a great fan of you, ma'am. Now, looking at your dedication and patience, it's truly. I mean, I always tell you that it's a blessing that she's in your hand. Thank you so much, ma'am, for all your help and all your guidance. You're an amazing teacher I have seen so far in Advika's journey and my journey. Thank you, ma'am. I don't have any more words to say, but yeah, it's
Thank you so much, ma'am. This is just efforts to nurture that base, this original creativity they already blessed with. And I have to give complete credit to hard work and devotion and perseverance of kids and undoubtedly love and support of all your parents. Whatever I'm able to do today is all because this is like we are a family. Because of support of each other, we are able to grow. And the only target is we want to bless this upcoming generation. We want to nurture them in a way so that they can make this planet a better place to live in.
Absolutely.
And the values, that's why I started with my bedtime stories also, because I know they can do, like they're so creative, they're so intelligent. If values will be inculcated according with and creativity, they will do wonders for sure. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your lovely feedback.
Yes,
And
ma'am. She made her friends also to join. They had come to play since it was a weekend. So she got her 2 of her friends also to make that, and they enjoyed as well, ma'am.
that's amazing. And Advika, you're doing great.
Thank
And
you,
your artworks are always, and your heart, your devotion is reflecting. Even today's craft is amazing. You can try it for so many places. Okay. Very good. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your lovely feedback. Thank you.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. And now, Shravya Shishta, I can see such amazing work in your hand, my dear. Your orange, which you tried now in background, it is really enhanced the beauty. So, ma'am, please try to unmute yourself. Yes. Hello, ma'am. Hello. Wow, it's so beautiful. Even
Is my voice audible?
Yeah, yes, I can hear you, ma'am. I can. It's a lovely work, especially the colors you selected in background. They are great. Orange is really looking outstanding in background. You enjoyed the class?
This is a
First class, ma'am.
But he did excellent work. Very good, my dear.
Thank you. His friend is going to join next week.
Okay, that's
So
amazing.
both will enjoy. Yeah. Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
I really
And
want
thank you
all.
for suggestion.
Thank you so much.
Bye,
Thank you.
ma'am.
You did great work.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank
Take care, my dear.
you. Bye.
Gara, I can see
Thank you.
Gara's father. Bye, my dear. Please unmute yourself and then Uddhav also. Try to unmute yourself, Gara. Gara ya Gara? What is the correct?
That's Gara, G-A-R-A, Gara.
Gara. Acha, what is the meaning of this Gara?
Gara means hailstones in Marathi.
Okay, Gara. Extremely sorry, I was pronouncing it wrong. Thank you so much, sir. Fortunately, we have dads also today with us. Please do share your feedback. I can see a beautiful craft in hands of Gara. Yes, sir.
Yes, she really enjoys the craft and drawing, whatever you teach, and she really enjoys the story you tell.
Okay, that's amazing.
She has developed a new hobby for drawing and craft. So yeah, we really appreciate the effort you take to take the class and all. Thank you so
Wow.
much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir, for amazing feedback. And Gara, you did really great work. And especially that sun, which you tried to make very creative using 2 colors. And it shows how creative. And I've seen that when you give one idea to students, they try thousands of ideas. So amazing. And you put some colors in wings also, I can see. Great work. Keep trying this ways. And lots of blessings. Okay, do share the artwork on WhatsApp also. Okay? Thank you so much, sir.
Hi, ma'am.
I will request Uddhav, and after this we will wind up because I think it is a very big span of time. Parents, thank you so much for your support, your patience. So Uddhav, I think
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm fine, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, please do share your feedback about class.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, today is our first class.
Acha, okay. So he tried to show that
आज
okay,
इन्हें
but
पहली
house
बार
is
sign
there.
किया।
लेकिन मैं देख रही हूँ उन्होंने कितनी क्रिएटिव चीजें बनाई, एक घर बनाया
Yes,
है,
ma'am.
एक ट्री बनाया है, इन्होंने तो ढेर सारी चीजें बना दी और बहुत सुंदर
जी,
बनाया।
ma'am.
वेरी गुड उद्धव, बहुत अच्छा काम किया है बेटा, वेरी गुड। और जब यानी हमने
बढ़िया।
थोड़ी सी चीजें सिखाई थी और आपने कितनी चीजें ऐड करी है, शाबाश। तो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट, थैंक यू सो मच लवली पेरेंट्स, बहुत अच्छा किया है बेटा आपने, तो ढेर सारी क्रिएटिविटी ऐड कर दी इसमें और ये ड्राइंग भी बहुत अच्छी बनाई। आप सारे आर्टवर्क्स को व्हाट्सएप पे शेयर कर सकते हैं, है ना?
ये मैम
बहुत
खुद बनाते हैं।
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा वर्क है इनका और काफी अच्छी कोशिश है, ग्रेट। और thank you so much all the parents and all children for lovely efforts of yours, and thank you so much for being with us. We are already like so much of time we took of yours, and with this I will wind up class. Jinansh, we had a word now, we talked already, है ना? तो चलो with this we will wind up. Take care, bye bye. Want to say anything else? चलो, take care, lots of blessings, bye bye.